Add this one ingredient to beet juice and double the blood flow. Have you been drinking beet juice every morning, but still dealing with cold feet, leg cramps, low energy, or poor circulation? What if I told you there's one part of the beet most people throw away that could make your beet juice dramatically more powerful? And according to emerging research, combining beetroot with a few specific ingredients may help your body produce even more nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps oxygen reach your muscles, brain, and heart. For adults over 60, this can mean better walking endurance, warmer hands and feet, lower blood pressure support, and even sharper mental clarity. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 most powerful ingredients to add to beet juice, and number 1 is the ingredient almost nobody uses. Stay until the end, because the ingredient number 3 helps protect nitric oxide so it lasts longer inside your body. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Number 1. Beet greens. Yes, the leaves. Most people buy beets, chop off the greens, and throw them in the trash. Big mistake. Beet greens are loaded with natural nitrates, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that work together with the beetroot itself to support blood vessel dilation. And here's what's fascinating. Some studies suggest the greens may contain even higher concentrations of certain nutrients than the root itself. That means when you combine beet greens with beet juice, you may create a much stronger nitric oxide response than using the root alone. Nitric oxide is what tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. When blood vessels open up, circulation improves. More oxygen reaches your muscles. More nutrients reach your brain. And your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood through stiff arteries. To use beet greens, simply wash them thoroughly and blend a small handful directly into your juice. Number 2. Pure unsweetened dark cocoa powder. Now this one surprises a lot of people. Real dark cocoa powder, not sugary hot chocolate mix, contains powerful compounds called flavanols. These flavanols help the lining of your blood vessels produce more nitric oxide naturally. So when cocoa is combined with beet juice, you're supporting nitric oxide production from 2 different angles. That combination may help improve circulation more effectively than either ingredient alone. Some research has linked cocoa flavanols to improve blood pressure, better artery flexibility, and enhance blood flow to the brain. And for seniors, that matters. Because reduced blood flow is one of the hidden reasons behind fatigue, poor stamina, dizziness, and even brain fog. Just add 1 teaspoon of pure unsweetened dark cocoa powder to your beet juice or smoothie. Number 3. Fresh lemon juice. This ingredient may seem simple, but it plays a very important role. Fresh lemon juice is rich in vitamin C. And vitamin C helps stabilize nitric oxide inside the body. In other words, it may help nitric oxide stay active longer instead of breaking down too quickly. That means the circulation benefits from your beet juice may last longer throughout the day. Lemon also improves flavor, making beet juice fresher and easier to drink consistently. And consistency matters, because the benefits of nitric oxide support build over time. 1 glass won't transform your circulation overnight, but daily habits absolutely can. Just squeeze half a fresh lemon into your beet juice before drinking. Now before you start drinking large amounts of beet juice every day, there's something important you need to know. If you take blood pressure medication, nitrate medication, or blood thinners, talk with your healthcare provider first. Because beet juice and these circulation-supporting ingredients may enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure. So remember these 3 powerful additions. Small daily habits can create major changes over time. If you learned something new today, write Beet Power in the comments, and tell me, which ingredient would you try first? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants better circulation naturally.